man even boss last year cry one na man ko yin fama ye manage to for last year na ye bad dream share 4 ye ko be share 4 ye ko go share 4 last season you clear the media na pa for e caliber man kwa jai ho for e na league no inyamu ye polidi e jai ho no e join kinfesa ye kongo ni igba ikama e jai ho eko pm e wo jira club that place the same year na ana ye defender Farouk Adams o ka ko police media said e ko ye abaya sema according to the so how you na the club on the firm once you know your coach back on the season and no a party am a new coach by any no manage to so far na this year na makoyi the idea wa idea coach you dey nya so atop you know
country be we are ready for the battle. The team is ready. Luckily for us, the best start the African Cup of Nations qualifier in June. We use the qualifier as also a training warm up for the World Cup. Aside that, people have my opportunity. Me have both friendly matches. I'm a team that prepare for the World Cup. I have no doubt at all that with the current crop of players that we have, then with the current tactical technical team that we have, and with the current GFA Blaster Management Committee that we have, I have no doubt that we put all the necessary things in place. And now the down to
Okoman Radio 97.1
ensure that every logistics or financial means that the team needs, we should work around it and make sure that we provide for them, so that they will go to Qatar not only to be just to go there and participate, but to go there and make an impact, because we have a rich history as far as World Cup is concerned. In 2006, you call Germany. 2010, yes, I call South Africa. We represented the entire continent as far as the World Cup was concerned. And 2014, yes, I call boy 160. And Ghana has a rich history as far as World Cup tournament is concerned. And I have no doubt at all that this current team can also make
because they introduced new boys in the system. It's not fair. Since December, you lose too much being woman away. As the question is, I got 3 points. You'll be high, you draw here and there. But since December, you lose too much. Or to say a large game, we lost. But you know, like I said, football there, what wouldn't you now? Like I said, never say the bar. You're watching play one way out, when you coach the player, the Tottenham hospital, when you coach the player, it's so
So the new contract ended on the 1st of May, which is last 2 months that I'm a contract ended. The contract we can expect that I'm also because I'm a coach, some will go to the same team. Then also I'm training at the end of 22nd of June, which is second day, it was on Tuesday, to make a coach. Said the players will be more now, it be more injury, like it's because what I ready to see a company. My good start matching for Kala like players. The Kata coach in the Kata, you need to before and Kata, so they are on the device that the contract for end of June. So they are players no more available the meeting after taking the players in the one of the
Okoman Radio.
That was a very good idea. It's a very good idea. On that I so that I get to Kitty. Then I'm afraid to do it. Catch up with the idea of the CEO. You need to
Okoman Radio 97.1
they must communicate to you first before you communicate to the player. And I'm also okay. And I'm counting is okay. The main fair office, the fair office, one performance in the first half. And I'm counting okay. Tell that guy anything. Or the new cook martin that was the game against King Spencer. Or the office, or the pattern is back to me.
to bear 2, 3, 4 matches. Actually, I don't know about because once you are winning, it's almost a rock crowd. One step.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Unless of course something happens, because I am very you can say I thought they wanted to break my record or equal my record with Kotoko, because when I able to lead in about 5 matches, I'm beating 15 goals and 15 points. And then Kotoko. It's not going to be able to 15 goals, 15 points. And I just
up your mind down, Okoman Radio.
And when you took over, and then we are at the top, that is what I'm saying.
So I planned for them. And I decided we're not going to walk the game. We're not giving them room to play. We give them high pressing immediately to get the ball. And that's exactly my boys did today. And we have won this match.
The players need to gather the courage to be able to play in such situations. They need to be very confident. You can't play Kotoko and you can't play on your own home grounds. They need to gather that courage and be able to play. And we also need our supporters to be behind us. I mean, it's a league. Sometimes you go up, sometimes you come down. Once we come down, it doesn't mean that's the end. They need to be behind us. This is not the time for them to distance themselves from us. This is the time we need them most. The team needs the supporters most when things are not going well, when we are not getting the results for them. So I will entreat them. I will plead with the supporters to be behind the team. And there shouldn't be so much blame as to this person. Once you try to single out so many players, it affects them physically, mentally, and working on them becomes very difficult. So they are the same players that
players who play in Europe. I saw several videos of the guy, so it will be a tough game, but we have a possibility. It's on our side to fight, and if we can fight them, we can play it well. You don't have to be afraid, certainly not. Players have to be confident to start the game of tomorrow, but it will be tough, and we will see where we end. My team can make the same performance, a little bit better than the opponent of tomorrow is strong, that they can make the same performance on Friday with organization, also some good attacks, good organization defensively. Tomorrow again I'm confident, and we will see what do
you think the Black Stars will perform once they get to Qatar? They will perform well. The new coach of Ghana has done a good job, especially mobilizing some of the younger, if you like, unknown, quote, untried players, but clearly gifted and talented. And I think that these competitions, usually when you go there with people who are hungry to make a name for themselves, to prove themselves, they're probably in a good space.
And do you think they'll be spurred by the fact that in their group they've got Portugal, South Korea,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Uruguay in 2010, when they couldn't almost make it to the semi-final.
I have no doubt that it will be a motivating factor. They will all be very confident of it and hopefully reverse the results of the 2010.
As a spiritual person, no Akuffo Bobo soon means normal boot, the Bobo, it's a normal boot. No one is a Adani with a Dewey, Mr. Poon, is slow, is Summa myself. Many man the cheerful or let up when you young sister.
Yeah, minimum no talking. Okay. Because Ghana for any chance. So they have the ball to play. South Africa. But because they play like that, honestly, normal. Some are very Jordan so yeah.
Oh, actually, game no or a crucial game. Now that Ghana will win but they work for the next stage. Into no, what's more than no there. Why as in Queen's and an airship? It's way too many years and after that, 9 years. Just players, Nankasano, much more singles and players are. When the modern was so many pa. Oh, yeah, number 22. Come out, Jim Suleiman, or one who wasn't papa. Now, defenders like Alexander Jiku, and then Lamate, one collaboration, and I'm sorry, papa. Now, I shall down so many the next games, no Milo, although I'm watching a bench. Order number 8, go feature. Oba very placing Bruce Mohammed. Me wouldn't want to go can be ad. On your attack, yeah, on Copolo, on your shade. In fact, no wasn't one is and so many are.
Oh, fantastic. My name is Shanana. Yes, and I read. That's all I am. Let's.
As I say, no, any big changes in the squad. I don't know. I somebody bought 2 Magna, one sister, you know, as you said, he was going to maintain the same team. But then there were 5 local players just to come. Oh, it is for now, no. I don't have any say why he's a coach on the ground. It's only who, because I had to see, it's just an influence, you know. It's all I can do. Let's go,
I felt betrayed. Okoman Radio. So I couldn't control my emotions. You know, I felt really bad and betrayed. And people who know me, people who knows everything behind the scene, knows I was betrayed. And yeah, that's the only thing I can say. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ghana Blaster. Nana nyami ne crying. Wanna baby, Ghana Blasters. Nana nyami ne crying. Yeah, Bessamona, Chumo time cost rubber for my Ghana Blasters. Yeah, dear, you know your boo. Hey, but I Kumafo, any day are you? But just someone worries for castle. I demand bed whopper in a jump boy. I think Vasasule Mutari. Michael Essien, Prince Batty, baby get go. Hey, wanna baby, Ghana Blasters. Nana nyami ne crying. Yeah, Bessamona, Chumo time cost rubber for my Ghana Blasters. Yeah, dear, you know your boo. Yeah, the Bible, the time with me. I want to see up here. Look, come on, I want you to take it. As well, could not do it. Ghana might have with you. I'm not Musuro. Ghana Mandamo. So I had though. In your wake up and I did the Alburida. See you when you know the most of wobble. It's in the Jimmy in the South for what Uncle Buffy did, didn't call pan a wobble, blasters. Check on one so what the baller would move front tower, pass our man, share. Strong defenders, I was so pressure or the ball let the little crying, share. But I without that chin. We freeze the time on us, man, tell. Wanna baby, Ghana Blasters. Nana nyami ne crying. Yeah, Bessamona and Suro, Chumotai Quastroba Forma, Ghana Blasters. Yeah, dear, you know, Jerry, I come and go. Jordan, are you? Go! Adam Farase, catch! Emmanuel Frimpong, go! Robbie Mohammed, go! Anthony Annan, go! Dominic Adia, go! Stephen Adams, catch! Piano say Sarumo, Blasters say Sarumo,
Say Frame on the beat. Wait.
Oh, to the Blasters go. Hey. To the Blasters go.
Hey, Okoman Radio.
Okoman 97.1 and then answer Yawada on the 7th day of September 2023. Okoman Global Sports Yatanasi. A good year moon 70 Adeba. Parana. Showing in a year dedicated to the mother Black Stars of Ghana. It's until 4 p.m. Ghana time. Uko PMO Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium there. The Black Stars of Ghana and our friends, you know, a year Central African Republic. We a AFCON a year qualifier. Last game at Ghana, yeah, bought near set near qualified year queen. Colusudia, hey, Asembeba, Marishallah, and a year son of friends, yeah, qualified year queen. Maybe I will be a intro support and from the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Oh, Bompire Bubima, the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana. And now, Pebeko Kumasi Akuffo reported a few of the bar. When you said TWC, the writer commentator, Etemo Kumasi. And now, what's in the can of better in camp. Now, soon, and 4 p.m. So, no, all the live commentary bar. But for the meantime, no, it's now enough to the Black Stars and come off here. And your Black Stars and Kwan and Elmo Ball. Other matches, so you run one man and here, it is a fixture sitting in Ababa.
Everybody pull up, pull up. Everybody pull up, pull up. Everybody pull up, pull up, pull up. Everybody pull up, pull up.
I can notice that you may not say baby a woo. An idea, yes, but still, Vimo. We start actually with this one. so Brenia Donya Throne support at the Mother Black Stars of Ghana.
Blow your trumpet. Saturate, blow your trumpet. Blow your trumpet. What's the region? Blow your trumpet. It's the region. Blow your trumpet. Central region won't blow on trumpet. West, blow your trumpet.
Ebani Sianama Kai 2006. Abra Ghana ya ko World Cup na ya bubon yumi na ofata obi akwa Ghana flag. Amanfo she Ghana jersey. But then yeah. Amanfo bi kura nkai say na Ghana bobo. Hey! Mobo. Fight for the golden country. And send the bia mekano. Say ye tenkura. Ebefa. One day. Ghana crew akoma yesuache. Kapo koma yesuache. Since 1982. The last time a Ghana J Cup was in the year 1982. The Black Stars. Now what is saying? Well, maybe so. Now what is saying? Since 1982, the Black Stars of Ghana and your cup ta. Afcon yenye bida. Cup a year for Nation Tournament 2008. Barima say ya tutu ye niama ye. Player selection yan koyan twetwanim. Coaches yan influence yomo. Yan impose players on coaches. Ye be jaya coaches amon ye juma. Ye be for the right players. Ye put the right structures in place. System be ye juma. Na ye will say football no and yet say oh sorry that could say me kwa kwaje cap. Ye momu no say be started from ASEAN fundamentals no. Se tutu sani ama we nyina. Dako. Ghana ye ni sign beji. Odi ejedi an Grace abubo nyina. When you play some of for Black Stars so but still na amfa. You blow trumpet in for over 42 years. You just say Ghana beje cap. And then they take Ghana say you be ball last match and stand you in stance.
Everybody blow.
But inshallah, we see Ashania qualify. Come January, I will la Côte d'Ivoire. Ghana, Yabeko. Nothing so you can make the nation proud. When you say Black Stars will make the nation proud. Come January 2024, I la Côte d'Ivoire. And making the nation proud. And you say, Kwako Bobby Yakeke. And you about the round of 16. And you about the quarterfinals. Jabi and you about the semi-finals. Oh. And I say, Kwako do finals. The finals here called 2015. And you about the finals. But it's about winning the ultimate. Bringing the trophy to motherland Ghana. Among Ghana, your mind be I'm so passionate about. Listen, senya maybe wa ankibe to my yeni but kokwansa ne abro ne boapa yo ne adwemfi. Enti entumi nkweni. Barima sinya me ya aduma Alhaji Grace and Eko sinya me ya aduma. Ye be wini. enti eno nso ano no bara mami mbisa Ghana force ya ready say ne ya se ekwa Afcon no nso no ye ba akwaji edi abana. Are you ready as a country? Entinusani anasika no. The spirits of our motherland, the spirits of our forefathers. Entinane yeseni yako. Fashion team say me say we Ghana near on the January 2024. Yeah, call us a country. Nothing soon yako akwaji cup na ba. Fight ya che they be na final semi final ni akwani abasa. Spirit of our motherland. Let me assure you, before my headmaster been a course, let me assure you, come January, Ekoko Rim February 2024. Becca and what bones are mine. Daddy near me Gunaquemo, near Fred the right place. And one of me how near Fred the right place. See a better cap on the diaba. No, and then we say yes, nothing, so you qualify. And I copy on La Côte d'Ivoire. There's Bibia I come spirit in the way in about 1 million angels. Nene, I'm way chia. I say yes, nothing, so you qualify. Score line no, and so no 2-0. You know, and also I don't know. Now ya kukwe anyway 2-0. Now ya kon edukwe nim you know, you less than 2 for your team. You less than 2. And also I don't know. And anopay ina sekese nkonfirma vena water kura yimusa ma nonum bia anopay ntino onso ba num so ye party bibia adwumade bia ye na nsuo wo mu no me kanfo vena water enso no atumi ede ama nsuo na nyesa wonom ne keke onum a eboa ama oni padua no ye kama pa fia de obi ai fresh ofia yansa vena water oba no a ana yenso ye nom ewa ha na vena na nyunsuo keke enuro wo mu eboa ama hoden enso no eba onipa duanimu na vena nsuo no oto anyeza oto na vena fo agi usika kekeo sika no moji a omo san de sesa enkrofo abrabo sort ase omo de sesa enkrofo abrabo wa abom se wati se vena akobie shop we dia obi vena ko se wakoto efi dia obi dia dia ni nyina na nsuo aye nom no sika na anom so no e de boaboa amanfo tuba no nsuo dia we can for vena water and so no etumi e de amount sounds na tontina 74 T74 a new booster and also na abadwaman so yes ni pedua no edu bia a bon se we ko up and na basa wa bre e say immune system no tumi gina ne so ni nyina no tontina 74 a dodo na frɛ no T74 osora no pa bubo bi na afin so no gina wonan so adwuma no obekɔ na betuma ye ni a T74 and American for and so no etumi e de ama ana afei and a Ghana boy. Remember Ghana and Shema when in years are keke. Cash out. Ube cash out. Big time there. A 1x bet. 1x bet. My catch out say Ghana and a 2-0 into court. Na kocha. Ube chance there. A 1x bet. The kind a download 1x bet app no. Register. Now your first deposit. Your first depositor. Yeah, ma a 100% bonus. Now fin so also the chat. Matches no doors when they be pure Africa. Matches no doors. Oko Europe matches no buso. Until do be a best channel. We try name ucha. All the drink kakra at the aton. Until 1xbet and unyambro and fear do what here. Untumi found 1xbet you made and one of boys no you did fear be me producers ya no did K Brown chat bet and start and pebia on chanangasa. There's an scour no scour no papa until 1xbet Adama and the Digimediano and Sweaba Antino you try home run kwaja boy from cat to your bar the baby room manane at the amananism about meeting at the Kelvin Amponsah Addi.
1xbet jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio the yan so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so now bet me dinkuni register with 1xbet.com.gh na use promo code jackpotghana na travel bet 1xbet ye kunim die ho safwa 1xbet who say kunim difo gambling ho atru ntitwa ne wa hwe ye ma wa wundi mfie duo game commissioner jinka to we atum
Tontonte yenum nsane efadwen ne efadwen ampa say na nim say brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo nipadua no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tontina 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baby eto nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufuo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 05016289931 and a 0246073498 FDA agi adwadie nkratoi atom
Fufuo festival Jack for how many now to baby na yen copy pono so Okoman Radio 97.1 2023 Akropong-Akuapem Odurano for the first time Okoman Addi Fufuo festival no Edinburgh Akuapem nyina ebeye de style bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animu ha Akropong-Akuapem on the 1st of October 2023 ebrano eye anopa no watwe till you drop Bibiani na pese bia wonim panyimfo twetwe nkomo ana pese stand na wankata do ton niam bia betimi nim panyimfo twetwe nkomo e wo 0559012454 0559012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bramie ni fufuo style bia
Radio 97.1.
Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo.
That's all right. The young woman have been saying Kofaman and Incomo and Fambrel. Oh, Jumedi and so high. Okoman 97.1 Global Sports. And I pay you Ramna Fins in summer Udonum and so there to draw and so that the mama. I mean, Chelsea and Famfree, the Total African Cup of Nations qualifies and another one game to draw Ukopimo, Tripoli, DNS, Libya, and certain fee and Equatorial Guinea, Eddie Bonny after 90 minutes. Libya 1. Equatorial Guinea 1. And also the results, senior Esifa acquire na sa particular group, Ukweshima, and also say that Equatorial Guinea in 13 points out of 6 matches, qualify. Samsung Tunisia, and so in 10 points on about 5 matches. Botswana, about 5 matches in 4, and then Libya, some more Libya, Libya 4. On also also Naya on also 4 points so far countries are qualified in the Equatorial Guinea and our friends Tunisia are qualified out from their group. Here is some common on so area to draw area ma young woman now friends in matches and so to draw and so our African Cup of Nations qualifies in the move and at 4 p.m. Ghana time in Angola and our friends on Madagascar on some Amai Ghana group sounds at 4 p.m. Konano the Black Stars of Ghana El Kumasi Papayara against Central African Republic and Eddie Elponi 7 p.m. Ghana time no Uko PMO and so our year Algeria dear next start 19 May 1956 stadium no next my friend Algeria Ebetrafie na onso ne Tanzania and so na timi dia Bonia and also Baso 7 p.m. Ghana time na Niger game no and then Niger and Uganda na boso 7 p.m. na san komono meba na mabedim na dia fa Niger game na san Niger and ebo home say game no beba so Niger say yetu akoba be foforo no san komono nyina menso mede bebra menso ochumade no so 7 p.m. Ghana time corner Stade Olympic Hamadi Agribi nanso eno Rades Tunisia mino etrafie no no so ne Botswana enso no atimi na dia Bonia yede mun komono enso etimi aba ochumade no so yenwura mu na fenso no match sebeto twa echena ne yemfa nyina fangu amfama na memfa table no enso no emfama dia echena 4 p.m. no the Pharaohs of Egypt enso no nebetena fie enso no so any bobo friend Ethiopia na say Ethiopia e dia point we no a historic game papa Egypt and Ethiopia and na dia point be koso June 30 stadium enso no El Cairo yeren komana ba Burkina Faso enso na tena fie nyambo echena 6 p.m. no so Eswatini enso no atimi e dia point na we no Burkina koya berego echena na krata sama nkoya waso we say enti so no Mali enso no Bamako start do 26 against South Sudan I'm so the point and also na baso nyambo echena 7 p.m. na Mali ni Sudan no memfamamu Brown tie correct score 2-0 from Mali echena ntife guso o savings nyina na de guso na uko anim amfanso de ana ayaya na sa yankotwe table no senate enso no AFCON qualifiers no Group A Nigeria about 5 matches equal 12 points or qualified Sansuna Guinea-Bissau and so Tosmienu about 5 matches and so no 10 points Guinea-Bissau so qualify and Miansano Sierra Leone about 5 matches out 5 points Sao Tome and Principe and so Tosu 5 matches equal 1 point Mauritius etosu enum and so no game na nkasa kura no anchara mobi jini frimuni adia enti so no group B no Burkina Faso qualify after 5 matches enya 10 points Cape Verde and so no etosu mienu after 5 matches ono so enya 10 points Sansuna Togo Togo Amanfo after 5 matches Togo enya 5 points na fenso Eswatini etosu 9 ono so after 5 matches equal 2 points Group C Namibia Group C odinkan about 4 matches equal 5 points Cameroon etosu mienu ono so about 3 matches equal 4 points Burundi etosu miensa and so about 3 matches equal 4 points it is our group Namibia 5 points Cameroon 4 points Burundi also equal 4 points into ne and I channel no say Cameroon and Burundi and a bebo into that game wow no qualify and so no at me area ko ni man yan wa se belu be no ye Cameroon Our Afco nimu enti anonso ne enkomo no Amanfo nim go pa. Group D Honor Pharaohs of Egypt and so after 5 matches no Egypt and so 12 points and so wo sanso na Guinea and so no anya say ayi ku nya chire no Guinea for am na last year mo ba mo pa mu ayi ame leader na ma mo ayi no one no Simon Kwankwaji Amasike de ma munya mo de beba enti anonso nsam no Guinea asan qualify ekwa 9 points after 5 matches miansa na Malawi anonso na 5 matches to cry 4 points Ethiopia Emperor Selassie ne man after say ni weche no Ethiopia njera anya yisa obo mu 4 matches and 5 matches they got 4 points. Group E Senate here the Black Stars of Ghana after 5 matches equal 9 points. Ghana Angola tosumi enu and also after 5 matches equal 8 points. Group number J Central African Republic atosumi ensa omo ne Ghana yenu omo ebono otosumi ensa equal 7 points. Madagascar and 9 equal 2. I'm the man kwansam no mo ya wonti no bo no mchara ni mo. Na Ghana group no muntie ni Ghana about 5 or 9. Angola toss me about 5 or 8. Central African Republic toss me about 5 or 7. Panana Angola ne Madagascar wa win na ebo. So Angola sha Angola and so no about 11 points. About 11 points. Central African Republic in Ghana na ebo. Central Africa 7. Yatiti Kroma kwaya Santi Fufu na dia kwaya celebrate mecha players na dia. Na Ghana yankwose. Na Central African Republic ekosa. Central beko 10. Ghana yebe 9. Na yese Ghana yentumi qualify. Enkwa Afco no but maka fia say over 1 million angels any the team na chi. Tie ne yese 2. Ni akuyanim tie be se nya qualify nka ne. So we shi okuma so. Group F Algeria after 5 matches equal 15 points. And so womo Tanzania tosumienum also after 5 matches equal 7. Uganda toso miensa after 5 matches equal 4. And after Niger atoso na also after 5 matches equal 2. But sanin so and Uganda ejina kono Uganda and Niger and ebo so Uganda sha na Algeria sha Tanzania. Uganda will qualify ahead of Tanzania. Group G, Mali will qualify after 5 matches equal 12 points. Gambia and so Tosumienu after 5 matches our 9 points. Congo, Brazzaville, Tosumienta after 5 matches equal 6 points. South Sudan after 5 matches equal 3 points. And so no, our Group H, Zambia after 5 matches equal 12 points will qualify Ivory Coast. And also Tosumienu after 5 matches equal 10 points. Ivory Coast and so Comoros. Oh, enough for Ghana and now for no more. Say, Afco, ya. Comoros toss me and sa after 5 matches, 6 points. And I feel Lesotho, I toss you and I'm also equal 1 point. Group I know DR Congo as after 5 matches, 9 points. Mauritius, Mauritania after 5 matches, 7. Gabon, I'm not cool last week here. And after 5 matches, equal 7. Sudan, Otoswa 9 after 5 matches equal 6. It is our group when the most difficult group. Obiano will qualify. DR Congo was 9. Mauritania was 7. Gabon was 7. Anna Sudan was 6. And see, we know Obian shall qualify. Cry group Group J. Honor Equatorial Guinea war after 6 matches equal 13 points. Will qualify. Tunisia. And so no equal 10 points on about 5 matches. On also qualify Botswana. And so no 4 points. Libya and 9-4. Omunyala Kofi. Group K. South Africa. 4 matches equal 7 points. Morocco. Etosumienu on about 3 matches equal 6. Weekend on it Liberia and Bobo. Osa. Okonanim. Di omumienu no qualify ono ayemi ensa na wo. Group L no Senegal, after 5 matches, equal 13 points, will qualify. Mozambique, let us after 5 matches, equal 7. Benin, and so not after 5 matches, equal 5. And Rwanda, Paul Kigami, robot, no, yeah. And also after 5 matches, equal 2 points. Into group on Senegal, Let's qualify. Say Benin sir, Benin beko 8. I qualify ahead of Mozambique and also I don't know. Top scorer chat. I will qualify. Say no say that here. Victor Osimhen, Nigeria was 7 goals. Sadio Mane, Senegal was 5. Patton Dakar, Zambia was 4. Abrante Fenu Mufuta, our Central Africa was 4. Hey, Watara, our Burkina Faso was 4. Namibia Abrante Fenu Shaluli, also was 4. Nothing. Amura or Chivia was 3. Foster, South Africa 3. Me check Ghana ni. Guinea-Bissau, Jorginho was 3. Ghana. Abrante Fenu Osman Bukari. I said 2 goals. Ghana says you both 5 matches. Your highest top scorer I said 2. I don't know 2. Central Africa and then Oman you know Akropong-Akuapem. I'm top scorer no. I said 4 goals. You know. I don't so Obia I goes na yana mo say Obia should be. And see I don't know you would more Europe now say qualifies no and so na number to say to Jana no temper ba Pauko Georgia 4 p.m. and so in Spain airport Sansuna Botswana was one say Bosnia and Herzegovina abetina 6:45 and Liechtenstein and so Timor Croatia and Latvia about 6:45 Cyprus and so against Scotland airport and also about 6:45 Luxembourg and Iceland about Slovakia and so in Portugal about 6:45 now for Tokai and so against Armenia now Turkey and so no about 6:45 now and also no any Armenia and so at me area point way Euro qualification matches and also no because when yɛde area to twa and so at me area ma yetie for mame nwura mu and so na one sem foforo wonu say no ada Ballon d'Or no so at me cause so na say nominations no at me cause so mame nwura mu na me mfa ne nyina emfam to twa and so no emfam whether ye nwura mu and so no awaye Copper trophy na say Copper trophy no and so na trophy ko edema best under 21 player na say akoda onyambro emfie aduonu ba ko no and so no ekọ atimi edema no say na tie nominations na nie Abrante Fenu Jude Bellingham ya dominated Gavi Jamel Musiala now Bayern Eduardo Camavinga now Real Madrid Pedri Gonzalez Barcelona Xavi Simons and Senem Roma Leipzig Alejandro Balde Barcelona Antonio Silva and so Benfica Ramos Highland and so now Manchester United I know Atlanta stroke Manchester United on Magic Glory by 40 minutes per wabo Abrante Fenu Eli Wahi, and also yet to be nominated into the best under 21 player. No nominations to Jude Bellingham, Real Madrid, Gavi, Barcelona, Jamel Musiala, now Bayern, Eduardo Camavinga, and so no, our Real Madrid, Pedri Gonzalez, our Barca, Xavi Simons, our Leipzig, Alejandro Balde, Barca, Antonio Silva, our Benfica, Abrante Fenu, Ramos Highland, and so no, our Manchester United, and Afonso Ali Wahi, and so no woman yet to be nominated our place Bako, and a betting, and so ho, Mami Wuramu, and so no our a man of nominations Sanatimaba, a year Ballon d'Or and Mano, what are the Nunya Kumdiama on Facebook, not Bibia, and so no I come at nominations in a doso, say that here, a Baba, my friend, a year Kadiatu, a year Diani, or Linda Caicedo, Okaino, World Cup Pidima, Colombia, Ababa Wani Diagro, Alba Redondo, also Rachel Daly, Aya Fridolina Rudolph, also Olga Carmona, Georgia Aya Stanway, Amanda Aya Lester, Haile Raso, Sophia Smith, Sama Pauliolo, Samson Ababa friend Millie Bright, Hinata Aya Miyazawa, also woman on free Japan, free Japan, Lina Oberdorf, free Germany, Samson Daphne Van Domsela, also now that Sam K. If Australia says some kid here when Roman Gentes Tapinha, and so now Brazil, Patri Aya Guaro, and so free Spain, Ewa Maya, and so free Poland, Guru Writing, every Norway, Aitana Bomati, Salkano, Ababa Way, Nano that UEFA, Aya Women's Player of the Year last week, Ababa and HC9, so of free Spain, Paul Adama Barcelona. Alexandra Pop, and so free Germany, Yu Hasakawa, free Japan, Jill Road, and so free that Kate aye Maccabi efri aye Ireland. Wandy Renard enso no efri aye France ewo Asita Oshola efri Nigeria. Ono so wuram Mary Abs efri aye England. Maria Leon efri aye Spain. Ana fe so no Khadija Shaw enso no free aye Jamaica. Into Africa ni otumi wuram o mana fem no aye baba we friend aye Asisat aye Oshola. Ono sina kanema Barcelona ene Nigeria no. Ono so no etumi wuram enso no ewo ho. Ye wuram o mema na fem na fe so no ane so yemfa ntoja emfa ma dia we mami wuram Yasin Trophy na ka Yasin Trophy na say best goalkeeper of the year 2022-2023 nominations ni Yasin Bono of Morocco, Samsona Thibaut Courtois efri Belgium, Mike Maigan and Sonom efri France, Marc-Andre ter Stegen Germany, Barcelona, Edison Morales efri Man City Brazil, Emiliano Martinez Aston Villa Argentina, Andre Onana and so Manchester United stroke Inter Milan stroke Cameroon and Nidia and so I don't know Aaron Ramsdale and so England and so Arsenal Dominic Livakovic Soccer Branty World Cup Croatia the Akropong Papa and so Bryce Samba and so Efri France and also I don't know way best goalkeeper 2022-2023 dia yansono yatimi ediamao ensono jumadi no so enya feda go but mami wuramu ensono wa mema na fam nominations no na fenso yemfa ni nyina emfa ntudwa ensono emfa mao ensono jumadi no ensono eso na wuramu mema na fam enya ize kra anu den nominations no anu den pa ensono ho na mumpianto so na yankuanim na bibibia ensono anya kama ensono emfa emamona memori nominations no miwuramu ensono atumi ediamawa senatia abrantia didi ensono Andre Onana wanya nomination wawuram sansona Josko Valdio Man City and Croatia abrantia friend Karim Benzema Al Ittihad ensono SMF France Jamal Musiala Mohamed Salah Jude Bellingham Bukayo Saka, Arsenal. That's a John Mark Okori, Bukayo Saka, and your nomination. Ramel, and I say Randall Colomwani, PSG stroke France. Abrantia, your friend, Kevin De Bruyne, KDB, Alonso, Ewomo, Abrantia friend, Vika Kvaratskhelia. Yes, Abrantia, you didn't know careful, what to offer. So, Kiva, and I said, yes, Vika Kvaratskhelia, Napoli, Alonso, Etume Uram, Bernardo Silva, Man City. Emiliano Martinez, Aston Villa, Ruben Diaz, Man City, Nicolo Barella, Inter Milan, Ellen Haaland, Man City, Martin Odegaard, Arsenal, Ike Gundogan, Barcelona, stroke Man City, Samsona Yasin Bono, and Sonom Ewomawa Al Hilal, Morocco goalkeeper no, Julian Alvarez, Man City, Vinicius Junior, Real Madrid, Antoine Griezmann, and Sonom Atletico Madrid, Rodrigo Cascante, Man City, Samsona Lionel, Andre, Messi, Colichini, and Sono Awum, Bobo Craven, Inter Miami, Leandro Martinez, Inter Milan, Robert Lewandowski, Barcelona, Kim Min-jae, Bayern, Luka Modric, Real Madrid, Kylian Mbappe, Luton, Man City saying PSG, and so, I don't know, Victor Osimhen, Napoli, and I think, guess who? Why not you say, oh yeah, my mimi somewhere, senior, last person, last person, which why? My boy Messi. Last person. Oh, I'll be trying to remember one is bet. Deposit. Last, my boss, my boy Andre Onana, my boy Messi, my boy Benzema, goalkeeper. And your goalkeeper, field player.
Neymar.
Obi a mo bia Twitch and say yes, senior. Last player no here. We 30 players no one nominate. About 29 ka last. Unti obi din wo we oh. Yes. Well who. Let's say no. Abrante Hurricane and I want to say we say Cristiano Ronaldo. For the first time since 2007, Abrante to me and make it top 30 of the Ballon d'Or. Inti Alonso no encha Branton yampia bi obeto no. Kroma Amanfo be dwane wa ha. Inti Ronaldo entuma nwuramu enso no awaye Ballon d'Or top 30 nominations no enso emu. But nwuramu La Liga president friend Javier Tebas. Ono ene La Liga president on Komaba. I say ono odewo ya papa ayene ya say Lionel Messi entumi am finish the career. Oh, Barca kati na kususa nka Messi awie ne career Barca ankebebo La Liga na gina de so ebebo Barcelona dino etuma du akire papa ene nsama ene no Javier Tebas enso na dia to ja obapay register Messi one register no ko osama be to yampia e dia fam sa enti eno so eno ba metete nkomo yesi Saudi clubs ni bi ewurem Atletico Madrid sa branch friend Antoine Griezmann omo be fana ko tie yesi sika na no ohye sika na eba no ansha na ene no abranche friend Antoine Griezmann ono so etime for Atletico Madrid akwa kopiem wa Saudi Arabia enti eno so eno no na tie ukopiem wa the women's Ballon d'Or nominations no don so but they say Barca players no Barca man no Maku ensia ono munya nomination Ballon d'Or no na pen komona ba no yasi ensia no so no out of Barca players ensia emu ba ko a ana beji already Aitana Bonmati etumi wini ama no aye UEFA player of the season it's likely say baba wana ebetumi awuram esansa Alexia Putellas etumi awuram it's likely say Aitana Bonmati ana betumi aje saba so body ntia no so ne reporter abetojwa yanso no yede ama na Ronaldo nkoma na ba banama no so Torgan Hazard ni aketo no wafri Borussia Dortmund enso tumi akowura mu enso no Belgium Anderlecht ana akwa si aka nti onipa nua sa why ade ayaka wo asem no wadi kan dada fine it's Torgan Hazard ewuram awaye Belgium Anderlecht ono nso akosan ni deal nam okona fin so no wakwa si aka on the likes of Majid Ashimerumo Francis Amuzumo and be si aka enso no ewo na yesi Man U fans na dwa ukopia Manchester United yesi akasa fan we share we nya sabi nya cross self na we award ni nyina ni say Ballon d'Or no buy no a brand friend Marcus Rashford ni dinim top 30 Rashford edinim yesi Man U fans na dwa say Abrante last season about 56 matches at 30 goals and 11 assists. I had done top 30 players. Oh, yeah, say I'm one more conquer last season. Abrante need him. Just Man U fans in a drop. Wait, France for the training. Oh, Argentina for some World Cup. Sa na moto Yampie Edema Ballon d'Or organizers in the announcement and comment Marcus Rashford top 30 Abrante now after an impressive performance last season on and to me and name but name as on said anti so do video have you also you are nominating and you know and you finish nomination news now no crano last season injury agent so until Nizave so be and so now Ballon d'Or no and so emu and also then come eba yet to me at amateur for brano call and no my farmer and then come on and so fancy na yemedi nkomo enso no ewaye efie fisem no do so wonim say ne the Black Stars of Ghana Okoman against Central African Republic Stephen Appiah and Akropong training grounds wakasa Samson Aket Edwin Simon Okreku enso akasa but in some case ofie the Ghana Football Association another vetting committee no it may disqualify George Akwesi free ye. Enjoy womra kwaji abo from council. Yaba, yebedi nkomo.
Tontonte yennom nsane e faadwen ne e faadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi na nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no e mo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tonti na 74 yin so ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baabi a wonam bia wobetimi de wade akọ samene wo a ankefi na ekroyi eda no nkọ na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 a menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baabi eto nro bia wobenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba a wafa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadie nkratoyi yi atom
Ebusia, upese Ukraine emefre brochure edeba Ghana na. Ene efe ho asem bedom ANS. Wo 20 ana 40 footer container no. Ana eye left hand drive cars ena wo pese wo tono amanone. Emfa ho ba bi efri bia. UK, Europe, USA, China, ana Asia. Se wo de ba Ghana be bia ye de bebrel. Ebi na mposo ene wiemu hyemu ntino. Eba ne ntem de a woni how kra. Ye door to door delivery ne nso de. Na watwi bia ye kra ne emefri UK ene Europe. Between 3 to 4 weeks na lande yembo nso de boko sawo eba custom nhihye yenso a yetimi ma wa kwantre na ebia na wo de wo paso kakra bi na wo pen tententem de ayade 3 to 4 days ne ye de brel hihye ANS fo akira kwan ne wo Europe a wotimi frɛ ye Germany line no e wo +491 737 712 733 Ghana 0249 170 423 na UK so +44 790 80 27 527 ANS Trading Agency Limited yedemu fwa
Usika seme nkoyi ana quick credit siasia se sika pe ennafo intina yabasa ye becheche wo yambosia bonhyehyɛ ye ho wotumi bobosia wo yasuaye efi 1000 Ghana cedis edeko na ne ahohia na wo national ID card wonhia se wo betu susu wonhia awowa yenje sika bia anto ho wonsanso nhia se woni yembebue futuo bia quick credit ewo homa o se ye dwa na wo pese wodi ana wo pese wo hye ejuma foforo ase ana se ye school fees ana bo eyeye bosumi ejuma ye phone so ye wo bi mamo na mom kai say ye mobosua ewo internet so afen so omantic akrobia batan Bank of Ghana and sawo jumedie yimu enti tutumri kana frɛ yen wo 0302 200 390 ana 0596 920 833 quick credit lending made simple kai say jumedie yin hyehyɛ kakra wo
Ayiko. Me mamu nyina ayiko. Me makana for ayiko. Ya from Nana Kwame Perry. Ubetimi from the finest and meme nyina ka chue ne me. Ayiko mre ye dwumadi ofofo bi kra eba wa kwemu e wo Okoman 97.1 radio so efiti joda ekosi fiada. Pramoto pepepe me kira mide ekosi 2 pm. Ya de nkomo mre bebro apomudin sem afe ye bedigwa na fe ya kansem ekoso. Mo mudi o ma woda ene me nche na me no enka na feferfe e wo radio so. Kayo eye ayiko no agye me se ye ya from Nana Kwame Perry enemy share
carry another you know say I be complete man now you matter it for my mind
ensama obi akwaba ensam from Okoman 97.1 same 57 no ento aso enso no enfama straight na yenko na afin so no super yentwese ensabeka super enso no kumase na afin so yene no enso atumi adi enkomo na bibia wo onum say the Black Stars of Ghana enso ejina kono against Central African Republic we AFCON qualifiers and also yebo na etumi wuro la Côte d'Ivoire yambo 2024 next year na ahead of the game no and the players ni nyina kutumi akopiem enso no awaye kumase a training no enkoso eno ata ana nei onzaka super won nti yenye no preko na afi yemefa wenu wuram okay enti no yebekwa oma no so na afi so yene eye Solomon Paidu the writer commentator all the way Kumase na chese yene super ultimate din komo anu super wuram anopa ni nyina di wuram ni guess yes na yenje se bibia kama super bibia kama no pay
Zuba nyamnya dum so temenka.
Oh, udem one na form kakra but say ni nyina ka adwuma no I say.
Zuba o hwe bibia mebe mabedi na onze Amanfo bebre ewa around nti basa na so uye didi kakra wan hwa na associate mi aba but all the same ni akage ma no
boy mo anope kumase atizan
suba na pe ma Okoman radio telephone akwaba mbpm e wa santimante mo na betimi aka say 5 minutes ago era me fi eye babuya sports the mbpm wo bibia melody which is the hotel melody uze mo sports hotel on side na nyamencha de with the help of the management and a team ni ano nyamiato with me mbpm one more if you ask it me ko kadi suba sports hotel on na melody kakra ba suba
as a rusika sam was through
oh suba say hormona nyamiato me ye hormona edidim say for more to stadium no say emunwa what you say for more to stadium emunwa you know unya fi wona dane hona na uvemo stadium na be dia so etimi akonkan so wadaroma ntimi bia e kama wodo
asa
after that I pay me boremu e stadium betimi aka say 5 minutes ago and I'm in stadium every PMO na ohwe hawa ofe bia na amanfo ye nyama amanfo di aduane amanfo for to talk flag night really tells us say yes am I ever ready for nyame adoma in the game any o mind in the Central Republic everywhere in terms so na super ohwe adeba kwa so different kuma say enra na amanfo versus say wo this game there dey in the one shot and they dey amanfo ye aduma amanfo so ediga ewo ye market into one shot na game no answer da amanfo say da ba super anapi oshawa amanfo ewo stadium a womo ediga amanfo edi omnyama ba it tells say yes Ekroma no the Ghana Football Association ehu da idea no tena omde eye last game no ebepiem ewo Kumasi Brother Sports and it tells say yes game no boys and say bro osha supporters spectators outdoor womo piem stadium a womo ebe monitor Black Stars training now womo si jama amanfo makwan ma ba ni kwepie it tells say yes Ekroma no boot soccer no almost ya ba disuba obepie mu asantema tema metumi aka say nyame atom bibia eda foma and before she say nyame adom 4 p.m. give it nyake kick off na yeso yetumi akija ediama ye netiefo
na eno ada in press conference echo so ewo ho boy mu press conference na say him say coach Chris Hilton eden samawdo etumi de tudwa na press conference no ati say
well, super. Osha press conference na unipa editu Ghana and Central for Bisano about the game and also players outdoor na womu ipra ebimo bano na Osha the press conference na sia what be tu as a game way a game anotin and Osha e hawa Ghana for the India no eduma te say ya onim say the India to Ghana for no womu epese win eba win number na so yes okobodbo eliso a onunim then Osha the rate of which Africa a football level no ako higher onu betumi aka say yes see a football level no Africa no ano them and as Central for Eastern Bisan say Osha Branson and Didi Joseph Pinto and also Abrante Adovata Ishaku yes Joseph Pinto and Rokana and opinion betu just say yes and Joseph Pinto onu nya knock that on a club level which is a KRC agent now in form any other Ghana Association communicate say one person Joseph Pinto eba Ghana the number say Abrante ni primary plan one to be Ghana you give me any Central probably very in terms of into urban doctors for checking it seems like Joseph Pinto one show root me in a pitch and to make Joseph Pinto kwanya one it's me a PM when a club which is Belgium KLC agent now one also aqua could treating or come and be there sweet to me a conkind you say me something yan you say Akuffo Ishaku babu replacing and the crown as in Yan Papa 2 years old and the Cressa Branson and Dini Akuffo Ishaku and babu replacing a Branson and Dini Joseph Pinto and Ron Adri one shares a Branson basically a Leicester City a England member will do a Ghana 21 Sunday Akuffo Ishaku you give on Bobby but one share friendly game against Oman the team Eddie Liberia Yamia Duma Tuesday our cross was them na one share Branson every me any team no aye na on so abejipinian team they give no the oil out and then no more share a Branson but as start on the yes in pinfo between confirming and as it made to stadium money with a Branson no a year pitch so na say one eka a players and as a reserve team who and common so and said that any for the go na papa no stand to just say a Branson did you a one play will be a kind of oh the day you sense like unique club need those kind of thing but one osha original experience so yes experience so because Osha Black Stars team now players may are very good Osha Branson the Edmond at the craft that's all signing contract on should they have that playing time but also qualities na players no go and they do big stages like this all senior big players one able to control players one bit me in a game and no to start play play bit say the die use also na Edmond Adon mo so mbra na wo embe buanti the die ne dey ono ene the head coach and no any take decision so no able to me choose that player no be buanti who share customer it leads us to say that on here leadership very important on the pitch and also our dressing room. It will be actually Black Stars players or more crana. Players be Jordan Ayum and also 1 or 2 players which are the full remove fima. Making a players no one. Romo answer that any moment bomb che ye. Then he said that you 140 games at my Black Stars. Since I want to definition I can my Black Stars. In the leadership quality may very high. Internal tone started from Branson and Timmy you.
Okay, let's say Odinchiremu area for but yanche waka team no and so Central Africa for no what me wuram o makache won mu dimina moral level no makache some say confidence and on me surprise and on me shock here o Kumasi
super and press conference after and Central for bisa the head coach opinion Gindi Raul Savol ibzan say wa wu ele play ul Ganiele is not papa be to just okay, a game and woman Ghana for the bar. No, Obi any GDS Central Africa Republic, ever con Nigeria who. Example, ye Ebeka question Nigeria, but Omnia Gidinia that confidence, Neko home, Echo Somo. No class Andy to just say, or no Nigeria, or is there on any almost about 26 years now, Crown. Now, Negate Cranny GDS there. They may be to saw no Raul Babe Waleno. And the confidence level and also Gidio Yano and with me Edwale Negre. And the only Ghana. One country and so manya obiye pa buno obiye no football is football na and ojide mapa ese on the field of play ne at all costs no ofi Central Africa Republic eba no wo ba be Ghana din the papa they are very confident ese ndem nyame aduma for the Ghana be echibeka from now hwe ndra almost so boys no buteni super nyame ni mu kre o Central Africa Republic players pa na o compared to Black Stars players because Central for you Mbema. Ntuba I'll be Mbema now I'm out with say a former as a pro player you have been watching no teachers will be called about a brand on Caspa no be dabi. You will beat the son about Enyono. Zuba Enyono. I said you buy no na didn't count. Ni didn't count be not Enyono cry. Because Oshe player ne Howard and Brad player the AU Pinian. Oshe na ono ne ya seen or different country. Super Central Africa Republic for Yamini Ruke, Yakase and Bema and Kwakwa. You bet me like a member no and no me Kwakono, or be a very superstitious. Yamema and Kwakon there, bed but football no Ghana, you need more SUM, but football they are threatening win, lose or draw. Was it at all costs na Kwambia no one Shandeno, Obdi Kuniti, ABC, Ghana say, Edia Central Africa Republic.
Near him say get fee no 30, 50, 100 and 150 near there. So what does no so get fee no one as I Ghana and Kwa dear Amanfo talk the room.
Super Omoto and Emma when them and then 2 days now me no me here complaining about a Black Stars final game and game no bono dear Amanfo Amanfo Baba Super and Oba Stadium and Amanfo Bisana ticket no ye be or how Amanfo ticket na Super it leads us to say ne stadium Bayama because Kumasi fought the ball and me who should be complaining and I should be anyway you know gato the cannon the can yes dabi and I'm even sure say do baby crown one champion for make say be one champion for be a bit may free gate at the time but enye say that confirm ya but don't say chance no matter say to maybe a before say the number of tickets are one more a trap one say do na say amount to me to one shank kind of becano na it may free gate super tickets one sense will come and say the bit near confirm say Kumasi for bomb peno omugusu ton wano
oka ticket one sam no we no omo ye e-ticket na na say udu gate na watu ya na wato
super e-ticketing to obo unya bo eye okod ne pe na wato ne kama na abo na be dia street me kama won mo
inu sanka ba na kwa anka akwa kubodu mienu di anka yebeti anse so ye ticket ni nyina sold out but as ye nche nya bibia sa ye but ye nche sene aka no kruma de say ye bo be 15 minutes pe obeti free gate nti bibia free no eno an ene gye ho e okroma but then chest security nsensem anopay security at saying our stadium
super na pe mi kopie mo no o sha yeni say a big game and big game like this also in professional protect a big player because a bimo ebo in the English Premier League a bimo ball in the Spanish La Liga and also other leagues outdoor and o share a bamba mun sensem now udu a Kumasi Sports Stadium answer na be brim krano odo ka be brim na bedding because o share the police for na nasa so for no more some dadie dia dey dia at the stadium so many is the gate na no udu Kumasi Sports Stadium gate na no on the issue and the answer na bring access after that barrier akakopie mo stadium and katana super what the year from there and almost about 2 barriers no maybe first one no udu on my bet check o kwan no fa na akọ o ticket when season 2 if you want man no akọ the next state now after for na check the onkuta nyama bibi body bia akọ akọ bibi ko yo bibi bia na aye super bet like I say big game and cup game into no o hwe hawa at the Garamba Association one more Eddie Ashraf Waba at least to say yes and I pay super on mood now koye we support now so koye green was so between share
atmosphere Kumasi Mountains what to say you know sanka Ghana be boa by now car see twetwa Ghana flag sabubo ho we share obi crush Ghana jersey akoda ko school kura na the flag nketu e bi kura den ahye ne nsa ne ade Amanfo be tonton flags ne jerseys ne ade wa bonten and they Kumasi so akoye obi say the city of football Ghana ko bobo ho obi a ne je ne ade no etesen ho atmosphere na Kumasi in general etesen
super Osha the atmosphere imagine also because Osha anape sanelium di tu Ghana odu stadium ho na Amanfo etunton Jesus etunton Vuvisela no obetina we hu mi ko bi se bia ma mene so 10 cities so it tells us say yes on be say almost tono for na Amanfo so enya at least uko stadium no ukuta bi maybe go back obetini the bu na etini aboa now about maybe taxi drivers and total drivers kind of things. So about the taxi drivers and also total drivers now. 111111 being out there. One more Eddie Ghana flag, Eddie Abomo can and also a bit more SJs outdoor. But you didn't there. A do ever say Bob 12-1 and far. And I was a man for argument to say, hey, Black Stars able game but over dear. One more and idea from say this in the Bakuba Kwan. One more so a support to say at least in there. Ghana bit medium community Ediaba.
Okay, Zuba, Zana idea major na Okoman na Bonio me Sane Trans so ebeje update awdo. Ma anope wanya bibiadi.
Zuba anape when the me stadium ba me fence na me to nyama ye ya but anape the yes ye trust bit me kodi phobia.
Saudi udi fufu nkwa na uko Kumasi a udi fufu after 2 hours ko san kodi mutuo na ebo after no after 2 hours and the watch and san obe no masana until odi
e 2 hours the dia no see staging 2 hours what you can 2 hours then we are good to go super
okay Zuba I mean ya umu nyambo about 3 ebetena sena report aka na aba ya na sibibri se onso no odi amanebo we enso de free Kumasi aba
Super I'm talking under the management of Okoman Radio 97.1. My very fantastic, very good job. Now, Menda Korea, the general manager, Mr. Gideon, boys in Tidinia, Obies Kutushos. Yamia Tumande, a TF Okoman Radio 97.1, about 4 p.m. Yes, Oberton after 3. Yet the word calculated measured commentary, history, outdoor, Ghana going to the game, no, anyhow, Yama Echo Zuba. I only say the last time you both game a Thursday, no, you knew one. No, the last time you lose game Thursday was against Portugal. If I walk out and a player was there goes to draw our Blasters game. You born September and also our Thursday the day and then likely the day you best start in the Zuba. One shot chat you do to me after the oracles not.
Oh, chat and they are two chats and they are two and less than 2.
Yeah, best one with 2-0.
Sape
Wakasa the any I think the question kasi nti 1x.
O savings nyina fa ko gu so savings nyina.
Yes. The one kasa o kasa o oracles ne kasa. E be na one e sama na me.
O be say o player to score on.
na me huni
player to score no me send ya ma I say we discuss me send ya ma ti we savings na de aguso
matenti be go so na sanfa ya me adoma na catch Mr. Ginio na de wo itire so aye ne kama mame ai
duwa mate one of you say we that's we
super Mr. Medase.
Right, and you know the writer commentator all the way from Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium and also the Amani Ebo and so no etimi ede aba and no chirima the bia the dam come bia the dam you hwe nim say 4 p.m. referee Pona Bema Ghana and so between abobo no na yahye and so no ede akoyanim and so no ewo ho na say bibia and so no etimi aye kama para me fan samba akumienu film na ye made nkomo ne nyina no ensam awodo a ene Steven Tornado apia ana feel so keto kwaku enu adom kwasra team no awaye training ground so no amunso no etumi ede etu dwa mamin Chelsea free the president himself Ket Edwin Simon kwaku ne nsama ono so ede tu dwa na ket kwae no so no nsheda ngasa bebrisa onim se team no omo behye na feel so no matumi qualify enso no etumi ede akomanim enso no ewoye game no mo enti yenti nsema Ket Edwin Simon kwaku ono so no etumi ede tu dwa after say ono so akosha team no enso no awaye training grounds or Baba Yara Sports Stadium enra enyumre
here to reaffirm our support to all of you as we go into this all-important game tomorrow. You realize that I've not come alone. I came with the chairman of the team, the vice president of the FA, Mr. Mahado. I came with the vice chairman of the team, Mr. Akwesi Ajiman. But most importantly, I came with two of your own. The very special, my brother, the very special Lai Kingston, a former member of this squad, is here obviously to show his support. And then the biggest of all, the former captain of this team, the man who first took Ghana to the World Cup in Germany and also to South Africa in 2010. The former captain of the Black Stars, the man who took us through so many battles. If one wants to talk about experience of playing big games on this pitch, there's no better person than this man. So if you see him here, it is to confirm not only his support for you guys, but the support of the entire country. Because Captain Stephen Appiah represented this country in so many battles. He took us through so many battles, and he's an inspiration to most of you and a lot more of generations unborn. In a jiffy, Stephen will speak. He'll say a few words. He was asking me what language he must speak. And I said to him, I prefer him speaking Italiano, Amonito. Or perhaps he will speak some few words in Spanish, or perhaps some Dutch. But my appeal to him will be to speak in Chi.
All right, enti enonen sama Keto Kreku Ebroko PMO and so no Kumasi Bavaria Sports Stadium and then you may need the Black Stars team no and so could come the former skipper, yes, Steven Tornado Appiah and also no adding some kakra Addi.
Coach, President, thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I'm so happy to see you guys and see that the spirit is still alive. I mean, these are gone are the days when we used to play. Before games, these are the things that motivate us. These are the things that bring something out of us. So I'm really, really happy to be here. You guys know the assignment already. Tomorrow is the last game to qualify to AFCON. And I know that you are ready. I can see. I can see tomorrow is strategic. Strategic because tomorrow will qualify you to Cote d'Ivoire after you have the World Cup qualified. So I use the word strategic because you have to win the heart of the fans. That's the most important thing. I mean, you guys are playing the game, and at times the 12 men who give us the support and energy to win games are the people in the stands. So tomorrow, whether you like it, we know that you guys are going to win, but win convincingly. Central Republic. Guys, good luck.
The El Capitano, yes, Steven Tornado Apia, former skipper at the Black Stars of Ghana, and I know so at the and some at the 2 job a broke Piemo and Sono Okoman Baba Yara Sports Stadium, and then Sono Yabubi and Sono at me at the amount na coach and so at the Central African Republic. On also the press conference and so in community and so at me at the giant and so no our honor. Then some on also the 2 job any.
Ghana and the GFA to welcome us very well since Saturday. So I will thank you because it's important in football to be welcome, to be comfortable to prepare the game. So before talking about the game tomorrow, I will talk first about my team because I think when the draw was out a couple of months ago, everybody was thinking that Ghana will be qualified easily. And the 3 other teams will fight for the second position, not for the second one. And then now we see at the last game, we are 3 teams still in the race. For us, we missed the qualification last game against Angola in Douala. So now we know exactly what we have to do tomorrow. But first of all, I will to say thanks to my players and my staff because we are in constant progress. It's a very young team. We don't have the numbers of players like you or your neighbors, but we are working very hard with the local ones and some of outside our overseas players. Then we are building a very good team for the future. And I'm very proud of the staff and the federation and of course of the job of anyone in the team. So now for tomorrow, we know that we need a result. Clearly, so that I don't want to say that it will be first easy, but we are going to fight and see. Every game has a story, and we'll see tomorrow at the end of the game exactly who will be happy and of course not. But for us, we are humble. We know that we are going to fight, and let's see tomorrow the story how it is ended.
And see winning Koma and coach at the Central African Republic. Did at the Urao Savo and so no at me at the 2 jam no yeah and Ghana Yedium coach Chris Hilton and so in Sam Kaka and so no at me at the 2 jam.
Yes, this is our objective. We are very, very conscious of what this game means. Not only the nation, but of course myself, the players and everybody involved, we know what this game means. So our preparation has been for the last 2 days. I've often spoke about the difficulty of preparation at international level, but it's the same. It's the same for the Central African Republic team training today and playing tomorrow, and it's the same for us. We will do everything that we can to get the result that we want to get. So our preparation has been good. As with all international camps, sometimes you miss players through injuries, and of course we are missing some through injuries, but it's always an opportunity for others. We are playing at home, we have a good record here, and it's a record that we want to continue.
Before my colleagues come in, I think the communications director mentioned Joseph Peso. Can you give us an update as to why you took that decision to let him go together with the medical team? Joseph Peso.
Yes, and I would have to say credit to Joseph Peso and also his club, Genk. for allowing him to come. He sustained an injury right at the end of the last game. He had to be taken off. He sustained a foot injury. Came here because he wanted to be here and wanted to be assessed, and also his club allowed him to come. But knowing that he would, by all accounts, probably be returning back to the club. So after, of course, seeing our medical staff, it became quite apparent that he wouldn't be available for Wednesday's game, and of course now has returned back to the club. But we certainly thank his club for allowing him to come, because certainly in that situation there would have been a lot of clubs that wouldn't have allowed their player to travel.
And see, when in summer, coach Chris Hilton and so the two and some of the also, and then some no also papa but ne give no course or pumpu a basso or bo unti and also I don't know. You made in come if you have your fortune say. Senior on detail was Samson Akwame Sedega, Ara Fin Sono, Skawura, Papa Fresh, and so Oceano, now born and said, Papa the Fresher. Now I say, Ukraine bag and Quadia, Bema Bibi, now so they are tone tea. Would be our friend Papa Fresh, Bema Bibi. Aye. Zinia, Bibi I come out.
Okay, Bibi I come out, and Yami. Say na Papa Fresh, I say me Uduma pe, Uchim Sansi Medidiana. It means an essay near my own.
Yes.
And tell me some year per member or your Brahma. And I say, and I say, or maybe been so near the to him because Cabba fee, which in a bag and I was his Kawako Bankaba.
Brown bag.
Yeah, brown bag, and we say, can't it deny, and I'm going to class have brown bag and I didn't. That's Uncle Kus Canaba. And to know who share Papa Fresh, Shano, money bag in the cry. And to know. Why be? Ege, na me ayi bi. Ya we ko share and na na Thursday we say na ya mekrada. Nti me dey afi. Ya there bia ya da wudi wa afi because say ya there sin dey elinsi next ya there bent send it. Nti ntem bia dey say no there bia benya bia no wa afi da na wedding because na be si ya da next week ya there yes na be sinin. Nti no we say na say me dey afi. Yeah, ya me ayi bia mam.
Ale.
Oh yeah.
I know birthday.
Oh, and I said, "Yeah, the name birthday."
Yeah.
Hey, got him, my trick one.
I saw the audio estimate.
There be I am, yeah, there be I am after that. Because the best in the next week, yeah, there.
Kwame Sedega, senior, say be I fine.
Yeah, the boy, I see. There be I make us say, "Oh, sorry, na." Utimi buweni na utimi sorry for paswa. That is the ultimate thing. In carrying secondary issues. Whether so be did you win did you say was sort of the fundamental primary issue. In carrying accessories. Inti the boy there say or then so for me.
You made in come you said and Nico 3 p.m. we would have the tactical aspect of the game and how our coaches approach it. Game no, but coach na make clarification tell us yes Joseph Pinto we planning yes over fano our Black Stars come nemo no we no defeat Belgium at the bye but that's a training no man no and a team no it me win and see I know so aja no kwan ama no echo minimum Steven appear and some kind na what ye ebi so we Central African Republic anya game say sebi that game tipai sa amane yetete ewo ho yenhye ne yankofa onim se yebehye na yenso no yetimi qualify Steven Apia and a curtain some of the atuya
okay, I think it's okay. Sometimes in games of this nature you need people to have the pedigree, the know-how to inspire players. I think that this game is a self-motivated game. Knowing very well where we are playing to, we don't have any option than to win. But normally, about match, it is now ex-players, players who have seen it all, who has played at the highest level, who have gone and conquered. Now, I think it inspires the team. I raise the morale of the team. It tells you, yes, people have done what you intend to do, so you don't have any option than to go and do better. and I think it's a good thing they did. I think he said something very tangible, or can be which was very, very necessary. It's not just a matter of winning or qualifying. They know said the love is gone. The football love in the Black Stars is gone. And they should win convincingly and win the love of the supporters back. Okay, and people can only come back with the love when they see the way they are playing. If they are winning, they are dominating the games. That is where people have the feel, say, oh, okay, Black Star is doing something meaningful, until we should spend time and then watch them. I think that aspect now of touching on is very, very crucial and very important. We should win the love of the supporters back by winning convincingly. Yembe trim fire but my yembe bresa to say Libya in South Africa. Ye bre sa Akropong yen aduma yenya penalty. Yet me yes Addi and actually says still people will not have the faith that they required in the team. I think that he spoke very well. And see, on the whole, it was a very good inspiration that he provided for the team.
So, captain, team anymore. Jane and Cassie Semini Obekache, colleagues, our dressing room.
That is what I'm saying. The game itself is self-motivational. The excellence said we are playing home in Kwampo is enough for you to qualify. Only reason we have to now one qualifier will be fine. Say abrochiri na baby na obo na one qualifier because we have flight. Send a be away. But where they one. So the game itself is a self-motivating game. Until we are captain, you just capitalize on that and tell them that this is what is at stake. We don't have any reason not to qualify. You need excuse be you call World Cup and but we need to justify to the supporters say yes, World Cup is another stage and this is also a different stage that we want to do well and go and win the AFCONs. If you want to win the AFCON, start from here. What you're saying, you don't have anything. You just have to base on this and then say, hey, what is gone is gone. We have this ahead of us. Let's win and just not win. Let's win convincingly to win the love of the supporters back. And I think the players will be naturally motivated for this game.
All right. I know Kwame Day on Stephen Apia and some other Atuga. Senior, Stephen Apia Kasa. I say you say yes. Now you need the love of the fans.
Okay, we say Ubisa right now. We say the supporters base could have Asante Kumasi. We say we form. Because they say to play in the Kumasi, Ukobobo Kumasi. I had be one or one point in Grandpa when he just said we would inside the crack. Ekintino Oshe senior Equasonam, just say Snapian New York because why you be that? What will be that to him? Senia, so Bona Bonia, supporters here then enter wetifa. So that's the reason I say no, I was say then Muboni because Simulation I bet Tenefi almost 8 years in here when we said no, this time how teams players neighbor born. And my supporters in the Ubeko Park, and my supporters in the Ubeko support Ghana. So now, to convince them, I dare you in gown, sell beautiful football. You really say we are not beautiful now, the 3.9 of V, and no fine. I didn't answer Obesana was in here. So that's the reason here. Okay, one more sure say, Obesana was a convince them will be near because a ocean idea, bread and Sunday as you go. Men Canada, Ghana Bobola, ye bread and Sunday as you go, pa. Because I didn't hear me because we share touches I able we should players do be park and yes, but he said these players are doing well day in day out in their clubs. So you say think would win in park and say oh national jersey ya but national anthem amawa you will do more than this. But young players in and saying you go in park and say I shall tournament and a tournament yellow boy ya about 5 matches. Okay, most in a draw. Most in a draw. So no and you want say they should win and win convincingly. Never mind, we say no. Now ongoing, between actually two. Then two Akasane said there is a new coach which is in Waba Brasta. Yen shade who ne modern boy okay. We matches about boy na draw no then air doors where the team. So yen who modern boy as a coach in the so we win more than 2 goals. More and we say no. Now no first near finding value to score, but now coach Yabe or the new touches but okay. Ye won't because I say oh star na ne wona ye bobo na ne abra ne I say 1 goal near the prepare near the 1 goal na pan and yaning yabra ne I say be a 2 and near the apon but to win be a 3-0 2-0 4-0 no ye shape ye mu be a che that's the
ball no be a humbo
oh okay
nyeza kwa kutua for
okay obi a humbo but we chia isi ya ye kweshia Brazil we kweshia Germany mun ade a e kweshia team bi a ye say wo gina wona ade e wo be won say this your position what better be say what
But in the World Cup we saw Omaya Nidin ade Croatia eliminating Brazil. We've seen Cameroon scoring Brazil in the World Cup.
Once in a while enye continuously say obehye Brazil na ochina besa go share enye say one is a while na no esi but wo hwe team sagase na wo share wo make sure say what to be say we say what that you hwe qualify say we Senegal o share wa o make sure say say we bululi say we make sure say what better position na say that's how ba o hu na we say dem we fear but Ghana no say yen sa o time say ne wo ho obi ko share Ghana osuru because won say okoi Oba kwesi abedi pelo oba kwesi ajo you anu money ade they will score you until ama they no go through but now they here now they kwa say ade no
okay
until message say they should win and win well that's all apart from you because it say you have two options either win or draw but you draw you goals because say nya goal scoring players obeti match goals amayen ko yele ko Africa you obeti match goals amayen eke
all right and also I don't know Papa Fresh Papa Fresh, I don't know, but I'll be sending me away. Say, okay, this is my probable lineup. Goalkeeper Lawrence Satizigi. Abdul Babaraman on the left back. Central defense Alexander Jiku, Yusuf Eido. Then Alu Diseidu, a right back. Midfielders, and you have two pivots. Abrante and Abdul Saleh Samid and Elisha Owusu. The up front, I'm so called 4-2-3-1. So the three, Jordan Ayew on the left. Kudus Mohammed, Ewon Finfin, Enes Niyama on the right, then Inaki Williams, and I had a lone striker on also down to 4-2-3-1. And then I say, okay, this is my lineup. And so I don't know, Lawrence Atizigi, Babara Man, Alexander Jiku, Joseph Eidu, Aludi Seidu, Elisha Owusu Samid, Jordan Ayew, Kudus Mohammed, Enes Niyama, Inaki Williams. All right, fresh.
Okay.
Who your coach? Line up for Ben and Caribbean game.
Okay,
Ben and Caribbean start.
My main chair TFO. I think that Oshe reporter writer the fee Kumasi by answer na me ba Olana up no so no.
Obi di ode ba I know now so do the.
But the media ba and definitely me ameti me aka say no ma 3 or the na na webo. Just say I on one. I know the obebo.
I know cry me prefer so.
I know na ebebo. Because only competition be our bench wo. Ti ono na ebebo. But many aso ekwan still na appear ekopie more camp on. And I think say okay game BTC no Ghana ehia ada say be win and say be draw. Now ya qualify to Cote d'Ivoire 2023. And when you be to say Stephen Appiah wa Bob Blackstone for a very long time, and some of us who say captains are ba omo ayen ye beto omo yi we Stephen Appiah I think say ubia ma simple because time no a captain the Black Stars on the performance and then a kind of fast on the players and etna na say for we a captain as there be we players and o tie players na say for na more times na ma team no performance eba fam and you know him ekwan Stephen Appiah adwuma wa be dey ama the Black Stars of Ghana and many age say Stephen ekọ camp ne players na ekodi nsaso because game to say the pressure na say e we so do ye bo home there but ye hia win or draw no and no quarry e wom ne say talking about those Central African Republic and I say that countries you know eki omo ahode nyina gina omo ya physically strong. Yes, these players no omo ahoden pa and ye ba na ahoden mo dey I think say omo osro echen and ye hia moro ye hia obi oni players na ebe kasa na players na ngu say Ghana ha obo na obo ni ya se na asini aka no supporters na ebe je so and no any Ghana ekwan ayefa so dey support your national team no enti say ne wanya kwanya na so obesi aka dey ama the Black Stars of Ghana the best obetimi an say obema omuso obe lift the flag of Ghana high simple because nipa edosun e wo Ghana and I say omo ball even e wo foreign omo ye Ghanaians na edosun but when your selection na say ne ugina enan mu 11 players no can be o say ukun ho edema country no Until I think say in the right direction says to Napia any players na kasa and Ocean Penfua eba ebe kasa ni nyina eda na kwam and AK I think say Milana apono say na goalkeeper atizigi na na beche ball obeche atizigi beche Barima number 3 in fifth no onum Samed ebebo I think say Elisha Usu man ahead but can we say the day you were born maybe just say obebo bi aha obebu nti melana pa me we say constant any key no the day we bobi Jordan bebo
oni dia
aha just say
Ghana nyina the players on see Jordan anymore
onu nko a me say nia obeka say Jordan me and friend no black stars and I say obakra man mbobi no I say send the ball no nimbo o ti ase because ye asamo ajan di sinchen a me say striker bia maya onu aya de ti say Jordan da
with Jordan on I know because say yeah you say on you committed to the national oh you very committed
very committed
ono bia on kasa bebere
me say very committed yeah na yes omo ye ball gbe oni ni nua dede enti sa
na dey wa mebo am ka obo nso
wa mebo a ye beka pate mai say ye kan wa asem o ti ase because ye nya return if you ban hwa pate no be ginam dia masna
okay
ye nya return obebo eno ye beka wa asem so I think say 6 weeks o dey ye ntwen
okay
arofo mo da da bia
Bruni nada bibini on nada bibini jeje enti I don't know but ba be din come out but I answer na no na former folk player Isaac Odro din komo nyame chadom abrante na tima kopie mo bofa kwata no we na exclusive and I ma nyanye open but any official ba me the mouth say Isaac Odro e be sign 2 years e dey am bofa kwa tano and likely so unveil no ka be baso enti no Isaac Odro formerly of Heart to Folk na no say kasa wa nyina na abrante na emotional ne ade a ka chenso nya nka na kuma to yam na bibia be kama ya wurawuram ne ade a ntino bofa kwa ho eneni Isaac Odro ebeko no akobo 2 years contract na abrante no enso na tima sign enra na edi nkomo ne ade a na say abrante na ye yeah but 2 years no obo one pay no obo one pay see say seven and managing ka
Brasta yeshuma local player back up no Jonathan so yeah
all make the 18-man squad I the squad game no all make
ego I know so make
that be make catch now so no say me trying di out
okay but come me expect to what be with him
Odumewuram song
18 no obeka because o share guy na
what mark 18 no game na mo nti one fan kan
the only way that players ni benya ekwanya kakra be ye bia ye ball na ne ye qualifier I think say I friendly matches
Tuesday your friendly game Accra against Liberia
no manya bia about say but as you say
and now crucial game I'm not saying Jonathan Sowa any good or a very fantastic player but where I'm trying to say in the first time but the pressure our Black Stars no
masa anu ye shit
Ghana no beach soccer 3 years ago no beach soccer
Ghana we for media man sign wa ba ko da 3 days wa ba ko no ko ball won cheni na name ko play
I mean go with no second division France na media man ko find
yeah qualify this Cup of Nations I think say
ogobo won cheni no ko play ntini wa
ko ta ma mu na mu e be shit o ti ase
all the keta sama ba nyen wura mu pre ko okay ma me mo bia quick time no ko but mo bia 2-2 then tomorrow I said that issue no papa Georgia free disqualified by the when you say any brand some na ba no by the vetting committee of the FA Osha reasons are what by now let me try and get the reasons you know na yemfa tuga emfa mao but producer yana mansanka reasons you know na yemfa tuga but Osha reasons are the main reason you know reasons only about 10 or so but the main one original so no I say nipa endorse forms no before be endorse form no also nya club hold the position in a club and what we both did in there one particular name na woman no was Jeffrey Asari. Jeffrey Asari per FA no whatever in some of the Bible Jeffrey S.I.N. so a director Edema club on producer Maminsanka reasons you know particular club and then they consulted the club and a club no I'm a FNI was say no Jeffrey Asari is not part or is not the director of the club. It's say men can afford you but onipa ni team bia na mama na endorse more forms. I think say oh yes fantastic. DJ word that they also on Facebook. It's you know mobile the reasons are and if you know and so no it's me Eddie Abba and I can't find some about and now I'm a judge for 3 days to appeal the decision. 3 days in Monday. And then so Black Star will game to appeal crown to go to Mwefi. I chena answer the FB befu kumase. But we don't cry. Sam.
Okay, when they've given, I think say the FA Nokra has been a bit flexible with Georgia Free. Let me put it that way. Yes, they've been very flexible. You see, you want to lead the entire nation.
See now about to Asubara club no Victory Club Warriors FC.
Okay.
Victory Club Warriors FC. I name say by no Ora the and so Emmanuel A. Frimpong on a general manager or signing be Elma Susu Bibi Nidin and so Sansona new would be AC United as usual Abdul Yakubu Salam on your president Brekum Chelsea FC Bernard A. Jantua on your president Adriana and so George Jau Chief Executive Officer Brekum City FC Kweku Afrifa Insia Asari on a director Victory Club Warriors FC Jeffrey Asari ono your director ono na say no one sem aba
okay.
Senior.
So just like I was saying, you want to lead the entire nation, the football nation. You cannot be that negligent. You're negligent. Oh, you cannot. How your amount of clear rules that you are supposed to follow? So, okay, the people who are supposed to endorse, these are the caliber of people that are required. How on earth would you let somebody who is not fit for that position to, and for FA to even give him the appeal opportunity? I think it's even they are so flexible. Once they disqualify you because you are supposed to know better. You get it? You are supposed to know better. It's just like say Obidia Juma but say Juma Nini and own qualification. Say we secondary school. Now when we GSS now apply, automatically you are out of it. So for them to give him the second chance, I think they've done better. And you know, they've given him an opportunity. On funny appeal, appeal nature. I want to get clarification. Who appeal? That means they give you the opportunity to file again or change.
So right to appeal. Should you wish to appeal against the decision of the election committee, you shall be required to lodge an appeal to the GFA Appeals Committee within 3 days of receipt of the committee's decision in writing, supported by any document you wish to bring.
Appeal are you going to defend what you have already done?
Yeah, but Jerry, according to the FA, Jerry said this. Jerry Asari added that he was not an authorized signatory. He therefore did not have the capacity and authority of Victory Club Warriors FC to support your nomination at the time same was signed.
It is flawed.
I know as somebody ever said Jerry Asamo, okay, and he said furthermore Jerry Asari confirmed through a recorded WhatsApp video that he was not a director of Victory Club Warriors Limited, as stated on your nomination form and stated in a statutory declaration sworn on 8th of August 2023. For his admission, he peddled falsehood by his statutory declaration.
Okay.
And some of that also, I think, say everybody be here. But Mami announce the phone lines, you know. 055166 7755 055166 7755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. I know Obetumi Afrabana and then the Black Stars of Ghana and I think Central African Republic. What to me, I will show them. Master Timo Ni pa ni George. Yeah, George free. Ope George free yourself baba. Eti Alonso no. Mame mfa obi enso ewa hana yemeto aso enso no dwumadi no so. Hello. Sir Ntimi Nkasa. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Master Tiemoni.
Batomia mini.
Master Tiemo Royal Junction. Adope BBI boko.
Namia dum boko na wonso e.
Namia dum BBI kama. Bachoma ntio.
Yo, mitia woni ompanyefo a mo hia mo ho nyina. Na ni o sign ye no. O se George Asare na se.
Jeffrey Asare.
Jeffrey Asare. What's ono oba out no so onye director.
According to the FA, no was one in the WhatsApp video kwa papa na I can see. Anyo no ano sign in on your director and farmer Victory Club no.
No on you so on your director no. I didn't know oko sign.
Master, utie ni FA no na dia ba, but as it stands now, Jerry Asare so out here. I say near FA ne kano no kware na say no kware, but as it stands now, FA ne one komodia one papa ne di Jeffrey Asare and one nhwehwemu a won so wa ye no kire say Jeffrey enye director of the club.
Yo, and the twen akosita papa na kasa obaba out no obaba kasa. Na Black Star bomb match, the Black Star bomb match. Enye journalist for kwa na ye hu dede. Nipa na wo man ni kura ka bu na flag see na taxi free na kona pin and Black Star bomb match kura obi an kura mpo nim se Ghana fo bobo ne ene Ghana fo obi an nim se Ghana fo bobo ne uye team se tro kan se ya uye president uye administrator kan se ya onjazo Yakufo be kasa George free on me an obeba Yakufo shiram
and why you never move
so what's all after them no kware the day no kware en fancy utu bom na odi no kware se mai be prie I mean shiram
onzo ne yamentra 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971. Now so what me afre aba mami wem on Facebook. Now face no memfa nsem no bi messages no bi emfiro enso no emfa emma on Facebook no okay 1 2 we dey aba mami wremu ase okay let's say bibia did them ase Maxwell Queen ase Ghana will win. Greetings to Mr. Gideon Pablo. I say happy birthday to Solomon Bonsu inside Pramso Eye Clinic. Pablo and so Eddie no when so Eddie Adia but Mamimfa Kole na Yametuaso. Hello. Good morning, Bacho didn't baby Afrifi.
Good morning, okay. Within the ACP, we cafe for every station.
ACP, bibi aboko anope.
Nyame adom na mo share.
Nyame adom bibi aboko ba cho mentio.
Yo, yama obi biara kwa ba. Won a etu kwanja ye ya hwe chi ama won tinya wode ba nyina na ye ba bejo bi adem akoma. Yama obi akwa ba. Yo, kakra be pesa me kan say, e be Ghana say ye pa ye hu anu na yegusi nya yen. Ne Black Star bobo. O man mu won say ne aye. Eye ma me say me de ma twe me ho kra ache. Black Star me fi ma ache. O man a yetimu a Ukobo World Cup ba wo ma ba for 13 billion. Woni pitch woni stadium wo bobo wo so. But what 13 billion mo nipa ba ko se jena ko na kodi. Ya nwene football no ho, ya nwene da ache ho. Nti no wo wire na wo bibia ahye ma. Ya asante kotokwa de ya ho to so. Ya no so ye wuni ti ehu ne nan. They say board ankasa na ankaka no board nipa edi ya nom na ye de ada. Na so na de bibiara ase wo memu ya. Na mo lo kwa koto aba. Oba be dina we kese ma disqualify onipa ade akwasi nya ntachi ya kese enye nti ye resesa na wa baba be ye ne ye no wo ba ya ne akwasi nya ntachi ye na ye se enye anu ya na mo na nso gusutu nti sakra be de pe e wo memu ha se o bo na ye se ye wo memu ha na be ko nanim sakra papa bi ye no be ko se ne ye kitamu no enu ma na ye be kita sade akwa awie inde Black Star bobo wo memu ha hwe ne ye koso yada masi ni ejo pa mo yada abu akufo nyame nkam
onso oni nyame entina ntino ya the friend be see time na so ano but ready about Michael Govin hey Michael shim UK Aropem Mamicha. But what time is the match? 4 p.m. Ghana time. 4 p.m. Ghana time. International why 4 p.m. UK time now. Live commentary so monitor from Okoman 97.1. Bro, Aropem Mamicha papa. We are winning by 4-0. Come on for your Ghana free. Car one, that's a car in Central African Republic. With about McQueen, about 3-0 in favor of Ghana Black Stars. Samsung coming out the about AK, the boss player watching live from air. Come so whether so Osman Bukari to score more fire. I don't see to mercy. Savings in Yano. That they are kugu so ho. The best story is on about 3 p.m. Pepe. You better say that feels the pre-match analysis and so they're about the fight game. The Black Stars of Ghana. And I feel Central African Republic and the game just that team see need to and come from Verna Water. Missing Suno Banuma, Verna, Sansuna, Tontina 74, Emil Booster. Na feel so why the Black Star game and number boning Tontina, Anomanoma, and Wadeno so Ewo. Afe 1xbet or say cash out, Didi, Disika, Nina said Chacha professional area ba games Nina between Edia Toso, Ponko 2 Milika Kurana, between Makucha or 1xbet. No the beam. Near answer register, they'll make you first deposit. Oh, your first depositor, you're 100% bonus. Now, feel so no, what to me at the cabet, nibi at the account. Then we'll try one of trying answer. Unyambro, if you do what you are, men try bet. Oh, Kruma. Atiasie. Na se nkofo mati no senior and duty sounds na papa fresh. Afi Kwame Sedega what your monka. Every 3 p.m. we san bet your monka. Ebra e discuss Ghana game no. Sounds na MCR DJ Weather Zigibi. Me producer K Brown. Na now Damia Gideon into na now Corey and I feel so executive producer Mr. Kweku Boateng. Esther Munyina Tate Chiri ama Bibia kama. Nyamba 3 p.m. Inshia na feel so no any Black Stars and Komo. Medin Kelvin Amponsah Addi. Muchum.